Yo, what up, my traders? Got a red day, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I got 3 red days in a row, and my psychology, my the way I think of the market has been struggling. My trades haven't been struggling too much. Like all my losses this week were controlled. None of my losses, I think, except for Tuesday, which was no, I'm sorry, not even yesterday. It was Monday that I lost $100 on. Other than that, I didn't lose. Like all my trades were like $60 losses, a $75 loss, and then today I lost $85 today, realized. But with commissions, I'm down $120. So I'm gonna show you guys my trades in this video, but this is more kind of like a psychology type of video. I'm just trying to because I want to watch this video again and again and again, and I'm just trying to, like, I guess, guide myself, and hopefully you guys hear this and you can pick up on it or whatever. But I'm gonna just give out my thoughts and what I think about my trading, how my trading been this week, past 3 days. So I just started this account, this margin account, on the last Wednesday, and I had some good days and some bad days, whatever. But what I do notice that since opening up this account is my psychology has suffered. And when I'm saying psychology, I'm talking about my discipline. I'm talking about all of that stuff wrapped up into psychology. So that's what I'm talking about. All right. So my trading psychology is just been very bad since I started getting into this margin account. And I know it's been bad because I be thinking about trading. I've been thinking about trading ever since I got into this account. All right, like I'm too excited to trade. When I was in my small cash account making $1, $2, $3, $7, I didn't really give a damn. You know what I mean? I was trading because I was trying to get screen time and stuff like that, but I didn't really care about me losing or winning the money because it was so minute. I just didn't care about it. It's like it was small. Like, oh, I want $7, I want $10. Oh, I don't care, But now that I'm in this margin account, and I have more buying power, and I can buy more shares, and I have the potential to make $100, $200. I find myself too excited to trade. Like, I'm too anxious to trade. I can't wait to trade. You know what I mean? I can't stand that. Like, that's some beginner emotions, beginner feelings. You know what I mean? I need to get that in check for the rest of this month and forever. I need to get it in check. So, and it's some other couple things too of why that I'm struggling right now. These past 3 days, why I struggled. One point is that everybody noticed I am I'm underfunded. I don't know how to say that. I'm undercapitalized. You know what I mean? I only had $1,000 in the account. $1,000 in this account. Right. So that's you undercapitalized. You can't really take a lot of trades with $1,000 account. Like when I was with my small cash account, I was taking multiple trades, maybe 3 here, 4 here. Even though that my buying power was going away in my cash account, but my share size was so small. I was taking like 5 shares here, 10 shares, 15 shares here, that I could trade multiple times. It was like I had a $10,000, $100,000 account with the share size I'm trading. So what I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna do this for now on is like, it's really just one trade, man. I really can't. I can't trade more than one time. Like, I have to step up, and I have to step up my share size too. I'm gonna get to that, but I'm over trading in this small account, and I'm talking about 5 trades. That's over trading. 4 trades. That's over trading, especially with this account because I'm paying commissions. Like, I really don't need to be taking more than 1 or 2, maybe more than 2 trades a day. I should take at least 2 trades a day to keep the commissions down, so I won't be paying as much. Because today, like this whole week, like today I lost $85, but I ended up losing $120, right? I lost about, that's like what, $40 or some almost to it, 40 something bucks in commissions. It's just killing my account. But this, CMEG is a necessary evil, man. It's a necessary evil if you're trying to grow an account. And That's what I'm trying to do. So I got to stop over trading. I had to stop over trading, and I just need to be more pickier and just take one trade. And then what comes to my second point is why I'm struggling trading right now. My psychology is messed up. Is that I'm using like the share size that I'm using is too low. I'm trading with 300 shares, right? I'm trading 300 shares, and since like Monday, like I've noticed like this whole week in my trading period that I nailed my first trade. You know, I get like a 20-cent pop, 25-cent pop, but I've been doing it with 300 shares, so I'm making like $60, $65, $70 here, and I'm really tripping because I just came from making $7, $8 a day or whatever, $2 a day some days. Now I'm making $75, and why I'm still trading like it's like it's not good enough. Like I don't understand. I don't understand. Like I'm gonna say I don't understand. I do understand it. It's because I have a margin account, man. My discipline just went out the window, man. Just went out the window. My discipline. So yeah, as I said, I am ranting about the way I trade, you guys. So anyway, my discipline is just shot because I had this margin account. I can trade pre-market now. I haven't took any pre-market trades in a while, but as soon as I got CMEG, I started trading pre-market, and that's when I started losing. So, but back to my point with the share size. I think I'm gonna start trading with my first, at least my first trades. And like if I get green, I'm gonna start trading with 500 shares, my first trade, because I can nail that. And then if I want to take a second trade, I do it with 300 shares. I can't take 300 shares, nail the first trade, and then trade again with 300 shares. And then if I lose that trade, all my profits are gone. That's what's been happening to me. But I can't trade with 200 shares, 250 shares, because the commissions are so high. I have to hold on. I can't, like if I trade 250 shares, I get a 20-cent pop. That is what? For about $45, $40, something like that, minus $8 in commission that I'm paying. You know what I'm saying? And that's if I get a 20-cent pop. Like sometimes I might get a 10-cent. It's like I have to get a 20-cent pop for it to make sense if I trade with anything less than 300 shares. Yeah, I have to get that 20-cent pop. I can't scalp it for 5, 6, 7 cents. You know what I mean? So you know, what I'm gonna try doing it tomorrow and everything, just probably on out to see how I do with it. I'm gonna just start with 500 shares for my first trade, nail it, and if I want to trade again for a second trade, I downsize to 300. So if I lose on that trade, I'll still be green. I'll probably end up quitting on the day because I'm not gonna get back all my profits back. So that's how I want to start trading, man. Like I want to start trading that way to get my psychology right, to get my discipline back, and just to get my winnings back, man. Like I'm still confident. I still like my strategy. I'm confident in my plays, you know. But it's just that when I do get green, I'm like, okay, like I don't trust myself on quitting for the day when I do get green. So I gotta stop that. I gotta work on that. I know as I'm saying, like if I trade 500 shares and I nail a 20-cent pop, that's $100. And I know I won't say I know that I'm not gonna keep trading. I probably will quit for the day and make a YouTube video, but we're gonna just have to see. And I probably will quit. Like if I make $100 in like 10 seconds or something like that, I don't want to trade right. I don't want to trade no more. I feel like it's a good day, but I've been making like $60, $65, $50, and I keep trading, and I lose it back. So like if I'm gonna trade with 300 shares, just one trade, that's $60 should have been good for me. Like it should have been good. So. Like my psychology just sucks, man. I like trading, man. I do like trading. But anyway, that's me ranting about how I traded this week. Let's go to my trades today. And it was okay. They weren't that bad. A lot of my losses were controlled, but I got a big loss because of the stop loss or whatever, because of the commission. So anyway, first trade here, DRCT. We're getting a push up here. Stocks today wasn't it was a lot of stuff. I don't say it was heavy. A lot of stuff was moving today. I weren't there. I don't know what was wrong with me today. I missed trades. Like I missed a lot of trades. Like I missed this trade here before the open. I like to catch these trades and get a nice rip. I missed that trade here. And then here, I'm gonna jump in too early, man. Like I'm saying, if I was in my cash account, it would have been a little bit more. I'll be more patient. So I jumped in there at 520, and not gonna get a push up. Like I'm gonna take it off for a couple of cents. 500 shares, 520. Yeah, I should have took it off for $35, $30. I was trying to get the pop over. I was trying to get that pop over 530 and make about $50. I was trying to do that. So right there, I made $25, but I'm only up $16 on the day. So that took about what? That's about 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 25. It's about $9. They took like $9 of profit away from me right there. Yeah, just about $9 of profit right there. So here, see that first trade. I shouldn't have took that first trade. I shouldn't even took a trade right now. I should be waiting for a washout now. They go to VWAP. The VWAP's down there. On that, I'm looking at 3 minute, y'all. And it's gonna flush to like 513, 514. See, this is the trade, like 508. That's the trade. I should have been in there at 508. That should be my first trade, man. Should be my first trade. And I promise you guys, like I'm this is the honest truth, man. The whole time I was thinking like I wanted to flush to the VWAP at least before I take this trade. And here I go jumping in at 520 and only getting a 5-cent pop. Like that trade right there at 508 and this pop right here, I'd have been done trading for the day. I'd have been done. I'd have been $100. I'd have been done trading. Anyway, I'm in here at 526. Like now, I'm telling you, I missed that trade. I took this trade because this is revenge trading here. I missed that last trade. And look at this. I'm trading with 500 shares, man. Now, I'm trading with 500 shares because I'm only up $16. I didn't get enough of a win. But I shouldn't be trading with 500 shares again. I need to be trading with like 300 shares, man. I need a downsize. So I took it off quick there. Now I'm down $20. Down $20 on the day. Like, and it's because of the commissions. I'm down $20. Like that was not that bad of a trade. I cut that off very quick. I didn't get dumped on or anything on that last trade. Oh, they traded West Stock today, DCRT, in AOV. So here, like right there, I could have been at 511. That was a play I missed. I missed another play. Pop sold that. I missed another play. So yeah, I'm not doing what I'm supposed to. I'm not trading right, man. I'm not trading right. I'm seeing that I'm getting in really, really late. Like it's like I'm waiting for the bounce to happen because I don't know, man. I don't think it's my nerves or anything like that, but maybe it is. I don't think it is because I don't feel nervous. I don't feel nervous at all taking these trades. I don't even feel bad that I lost today. Like I'm not. I usually just get pissed off for the day. I'm not even mad that I lost today. I'm not. It's just because I know what I'm doing wrong. I know that I'm chasing. Like right there, that's the chase. I bought a green candle. I don't like. You look at all my other videos. I don't buy green candles like that. I don't buy a candle when it's going up. That's the chase. And see all these. I gotta cut them off quick, and then all they're doing is just adding it to my commissions. Like I'm down 61, but I'm really down $35 to realize 61 in commissions. So the small account, see, that's what I'm over trading. I should quit for the day. I'm over trading now. Like I'm paying too much in commissions. I'm paying way too much in commissions. So I really need to shut it down. Excuse me, y'all. So yeah. Sorry. So yeah, man. The wall showing up. And then like I don't have to trade this early. Like plays been happening later in the day. I've been noticing that too. But I like how my strategy look at that. I didn't take a trade there. I'm missing trades. I'm missing money. Look at that. I missed that. I didn't even try to take that trade. There we go. I jumped in there, had a little watch at the 508, but it's like if this was a bad trade. I ain't gonna lie, this was a bad trade. Why is it a bad trade? Because it already did this move up. And look at that big wick with the big body. This was a bad trade. Look at the 1 minute engulfing candle here. This was a bad trade. But I cut it off. Like I'm gonna cut this off. Look at that. Cut it off. Only Only lost 2 cents on that, man. Only lost 2 cents on that. Let me go back and see what I'm down now. 508. I was at 508. Where did I sell it at? Yeah, I sold it at 506. So now I'm down $77 on the day. Yeah, I only lost 2 cents on that, man. Like, even if I trade 300 shares like this, that's why it's better for me to trade 500 shares and get the loss, because I'm cutting them off fast. If I trade 300 shares like this many times, I would have still paid that $77 in commission. You know what I mean? Like the commission, I'm still going to pay the commission. So that's why I'm saying I'm going to step it up, go with 500 shares, man. Get that pop so I can just have a good cushion. I beat the commissions. I got to beat commissions. I beat the commissions, and then I can keep on, and then I take one more trade. If I lose, I'm out. I'm done for the day, and I still have a profit. You know what I mean? So right here, I'm in at 513, and I ain't like now. These are just all bad trades I'm taking, but these are I'm gonna lose on these trades, but they're controlled losses. Like, I control these losses. I didn't get dumped on not one time. You know what I mean? I don't think I lost 10 cents not one time. Had very tight stops, and I like that. I lost about 9 cents, so then like,